Good morning, everyone. Nick, First Class Home Inspections, doing an inspection in Peoria. Saw some water damage and kind of wondered what was causing it. So, further investigation. Let me show you what I found. This is the initial subject cabinet that's on the outside. As you can see, it's nowhere really near the kitchen sink, but there's a fridge right here. So we pulled out the fridge, it's not connected because this house is vacant. So check in here, water damage. If we look at this valve, even though it's been capped because it's vacant, it's coming out the valve. So it's leaking. You can see the water damage all along here. So very important. Sometimes we can miss this because we don't necessarily always pull the refrigerators out, but we get fall signs that could lead to something further. And it's causing moisture damage to the cabinets, which if not addressed will become a bigger issue, such as bioorganic growth or mold or whatever you want to call it. So obviously this can be a big costly issue, which is really why you want to get a home inspection, because you don't see these things going into it buying a home. So make sure you call First Class Home Inspections for all your home inspection needs in the Valley, 623-680-0707 or firstclasshomeinspection.com. See you next time.
For more great videos, don't forget to like our page and subscribe. Thank you.